Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I'm sure seniyibonile indaba angazi nina ngokwenu nizothini regarding indaba zikabani zikamabasa going to Stelis. Asikhulumeni bafethu. Bafethu niyalwazi ukuthi Pirates ine-track eziningi kakhulu. Yabo nje ine-track eziningi kakhulu nje bafethu. Umabasa was one of those strikers ebesikhona kwi-list striker ezikhona kwi-Pirates. Umjito bengayithola i-game time. Uyena bengayithola i-game time. Radio Pano bengayithola i-game time same as lo mjida lo Luthuli naye who is being loaned to iMagesi bengayithola i-game time kwe-Orlando Pirates. So ukubona i-move kanje by Orlando Pirates moving him to a team like Stellenbosch ayingithusi kakhulu. Yabo ayingithusi kakhulu le move le. But ke umjida nje ubeya nje ku-Stelis uya on loan. Yabo na into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo la. Why umjida eya on loan on Stelis? Because umjida usalela u6 months kwi-contract yakhe. Ingabe njoba eya ku-Stelis uya nje kwi-loan on a possible transfer, ngabe uya khona on a possible move. Afuqa amanga angazi ngempela uthi ngabe ngempela njoba bemisa khona, ingabe bamisa on a loan with a possible move ukuthi kube i-deal yangempela yini. Yabo kahle kahle womthetho angifuni ukukhuluma regarding le ndaba yeloni, ngifuna ukukhuluma regarding i-contract yakhe. Nje wasazi nje ukuthi usalelo 6 months kwi-contract yakhe. Why Orlando Pirates ingenzanga a bold move yokuthi yes umjeda vele usalelo 6 months. Yabo kulo January lo usengasayina noma yipi team pre-contract. Yabo maningi ama players enza lokho, simbonile uSalengi ekwenza, but ke Orlando Pirates was smart but decide ukuthi bamdayise umjida angaze ajoine i-team mahala. Yabo because yena uMabasa usengajoina i-team ekuphela isizini mahala neteam ayisayinilile kulo January lo kuleli window sikulona. So I believe njobe ya ku-Stelis there is a potential move there ku-Stelis. There's a potential move ukuthi umjida abe a permanent player mase kuphele isizini. Maybe Orlando Pirates ibhalile kwi-clause kwi-contract yakhe ukuthi okay njobe uya laphana kumele sithole imali kanje uma usuqedile, noma i-Stelis masiphelile isizini yebamsayina umjida mhlawumbe bazombuyisa kuyona Orlando Pirates. But ke kuzoba nzinyana masebuya kwi-Pirates. I hope Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthi iwenze ama-means ukuthi umjida imgcine because he's a quality striker. Yebo he's a quality striker, so umjida bebemgcina khona bezokwazi bamdayise kahle kwemali rights, because lo mjida lo uyimali rights. For me I think bekuzoba ngcono ukuthi yena uMabasa simdayise rather than putting him on a loan. Yabo simise kwi-loan ku-Stelis. Yabo ukumdayisa bengaba ngcono. Remember this player was wanted by iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns ebeno coach uRulani Mkwena. uRulani Mkwena he praises uMabasa. He feels like uMabasa is one of the best strikers esinazo la eSouth Africa. So a player like uMabasa akunikeza imali emnandi kakhulu. Yebo akunikeza imali emnandi ukuthi uye kwi-market uyobheka another strike esingakwazi ukuthi replace. There are many strikers akhona la eAfrica, not la eSouth Africa per se, because la eSouth Africa there are few strikers akhona, but mwasuye nje iAfrica yonke jikelele there are many strikers ongakwazi ukuthi uye kuona uhambe uyowasayina. Yebo ngezwe ngani ke bafethu nina nithini regarding indaba yakhe umjida? Mina for me I think bengangcono ukuthi simdayise sithole imali rather than uthi umjida ahambe on a loan ayojoina a team like iStelis. Yabo but ke there might be a possible move for iStelis at the end of the season.